Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on your Infinix Note 40. Our first step to do it is open Google Chrome application, where we press on the three dots on the right corner there. We tap on settings and scroll down to password manager. As you can see, now I have password to Facebook account, which I can press there. Now I must enter look screen to manage it, and there we can copy our email, copy our password by this icon, or after we press this ice icon, our smartphone shows us password to which remember. You can also tap on edit, and there we can custom name, username, passwords, or we can add note to our passwords. To delete all from our device, we must press delete and confirm by delete, and now we don't have any passwords. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!